Hey guys, I am collaborating with my favorite brand Laila Foods again, and throughout Ramadan we will be bringing you some amazing recipes. Today I am going to show you how I make lamb pulao and pomegranate raita. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For lamb pulao, I am going to use Laila Foods Golden Sela Basmati rice, and the other ingredients are lamb. I'm taking 800 grams of lamb chops. Here I've got all the whole spices, so that's bay leaves, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, black pepper, cloves, fennel seeds, coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Here I've got green chilies, ginger, garlic, onions, some salt and yogurt. The first step in lamb pulao is to make yakhni, which is lamb stock. So I'm going to add in the lamb in the pressure cooker. Here I've got onions, ginger and garlic. They're roughly chopped. I'm going to add half of the whole spices for the lamb stock. So that's 1 bay leaf, 1 cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, few black peppers and cloves, and all of the cumin seeds and coriander seeds and fennel seeds. Now I'm adding in the water. So that is around 3 to 4 cups of water. Adding half a teaspoon of salt and bring it to boil. I've opened the lid and the stock is ready. I'm going to keep it aside and start making the rice. I've sliced the onion, made a paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. That's yogurt. I've got black pepper, salt and remaining whole spices. While the onions are getting brown, I'm going to sieve the stock to separate the meat. Now the onions are golden brown, I'm going to add in the meat and fry it for a few minutes. Adding ginger, garlic and green chili paste next. Next I'm adding in the yogurt. Salt, freshly crushed black pepper, I have added the stock and rice. I'm going to let it boil. The water has all evaporated, so I'm going to put it on dum now for 15 minutes on slow flame. For pomegranate raita, I'm going to use 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 pomegranate, 1 red onion, some cucumbers, chaat masala, red chilies and salt, 1 green chili, some coriander and mint.